As you can see, I got 3 boxes here. My new adjustable dumbbells have finally come in. I've ordered, they are on pre-order since like March, April. They were originally supposed to get delivered, I think in September-ish, October. And that got delayed to early November, then I got pushed back to mid-November as we see here. Let's get them unboxed here. This is my first time opening. Hopefully everything's intact. Collaboration between Rep and PÉPIN. So let's open it up and see what we got here. All right, got a good old instruction manual. Got a parts list. It comes with that good old Allen wrench. Oh, okay, here we go. As you can see, it has the plates on the outside. A good old bag of silica. Comes with a quality control checklist. That it meets cosmetic requirements, cleanliness standards, assemble hardware, assembly instructions, and packaging. And it has the inspector initials and date. It has safety cars, the product SKU, manufacturing codes, etc., etc. First, we gotta break out the cradle, looks like. So that's the cradle. It comes in. They don't have a dumbbell stand yet. They have it listed in pre-order on their website. 2 different types of stands, but nice sturdy stand. Pretty heavy. Pretty long. Just give you a context, but along with my arm. All right. So that's that. The dovetail ends looks like these guys. So it's kind of going to be an unboxing and an assembly stream, it looks like. Here's the screws and Allen wrench. So these are the dovetail ends, add-on weight. These are 2.5 add-on weights. Increment. Both ends. We should have 10 plates. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice construction. Thickness, good cut on them. No sharp edges or anything. Very nice. And let me open up this box real quick too. So in here we have additional plates. Take our weights up a notch for 40 pounds total. And it goes up to 125 total. We didn't buy the entire 125. It was 85, 105, and 125. So we put these in, and then it has the marks of where you have 85, 105, or 125, where to put the ends on the stand. Okay. All right, then we put the plates in. Supposed to go in like that. Oh, it does. Okay. It does slot in on the prior plate as such. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So it has like a little groove here. Put the other plate on the one in front of it. This guy out. Okay, and this is the main apparatus. As you can see, and then you move this thing to change, and it has like the written down the location or the weight you're selecting. There it goes. So you go in and they want you to tighten the end plate. Okay, we are good and tight there. So we tightened that. Box number 2, it did come a little ripped there on delivery. It was just delivered via FedEx. Feel sorry for the FedEx guy. Had to carry him to the door. This one we're gonna set up for 85. Let's see how that goes. There is a groove, in fact, there is a groove on this end plate that you tip down where this fits in, locks onto the side plate. So we want to do that. Okay. Then the cradle again, here pops out like that. See this little pin right here. push it in, pops this out, and then you select your weight. Bar and a bar, there's the grooves on the end of the plates here where the bar kind of fits in and catches. Pretty cool. And you just push the pin back in to lock it. These are supposed to go with this, the 80s. And that's why those adjust. 2, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 plates per side. That takes us to 80. Then we have the half weight, 2.5 pounds. Plates. Slide in. Bring it to 180. Bring it to 85. So yeah, so the extra box is actually goes with everything. So it's funny they don't pack it with all the way up to 85. So that's where I was getting confused. 80 that side, and we have the 2.5s on. It takes us to 85. Lift it up, and there we go. Whew, an 85, man. Coming from the 52s.5. It's been a while since I lifted something this heavy. Dumbbell, nice. All right, and then we just have to finish off by tightening end plates here on the cradle. These tightened, we'll re-rack the other one, and we're all ready to start our workout here. That's the other thing we can do. Let's take a look and compare it to my old Bowflex here. So this is max weight 52.5, and you can see here. Can you see it on the screen? The thickness difference. This is 52.5. This is 85, and it's almost it's even thinner. You don't count for the weights. If you line up the weights, it's about the same width, but the Bowflex is even wider, like another 1/2 inch to almost 1 inch, with the mechanism on the outside, which is what I complain about all the time, especially when you're doing like bicep curls and stuff, getting in the way. So that's pretty cool. Let's go to a similar weight and see. And see, when you pull out this, it stays the same width on the Bowflex. 40. It's actually gonna be 45 because plate's on the inside. But anyways, look at the width difference. Same weight. Actually, this is more. This is 45. This is at 40. And we're shaving off a good 5 inches, 4 inches off the sides. All right, here we go. First use. It's nice when you put them down. It's nice and flat. Rigid like the other things. I'm psyched about these guys. All right, here we go. They don't fall out to my face. You can see how the balance feels too, just putting 1 2.5 plate on each. So we'll take it to 22.5. Yeah, the balance doesn't feel too bad because it's where they put the 2.5s. It's right on the inside, so it's as close to the handle as possible. So if you're only using one, not the other, the balance isn't thrown off too bad.
Well, thanks everyone for checking out this video. I know it was a little rough. It came from a live stream I did of the original unboxing, which you can find me streaming live most of my workouts over at twitch.tv/ImmortanG. Stay tuned, and in the near future, we'll do an actual review of these new dumbbells, but I just want to get some time using them to give you a full honest review. So come on back for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button down below, and we'll see you next time.